Welcome to Affiliate Cash Monster. Affiliate marketing has always been one of the most popular methods of making money online. For anyone who is just starting out, there's no easier or faster method of generating income. For anyone who already operates their own online business, selling other people's products can create a substantial boost to the income they're already receiving. The primary appeal comes from the fact that the only task the affiliate has to perform is promote whatever product or service they believe has substantial sales potential. The owner of the product or service does everything else. In theory, you don't even need a website in order to make money as an affiliate. You can simply promote your assigned affiliate link and then send prospective buyers to the owner's sales page. Of course, the obvious drawback is that almost every other affiliate will be doing the exact same thing. If all you're doing is directing targeted traffic through your affiliate sales link, you'll be competing on an equal level with countless other people who are promoting the same product. The only way to break out of the pack is to market and promote the affiliate product in a more intelligent and aggressive manner. Those who are referred to as super affiliates make a great deal of money selling other people's products. That's because they market and promote them in the same way they would their own products. Even though there's a sales page associated with each of the affiliate products, they create a page on their own website. The purpose of the page is to pre-sell the item. In other words, they get the prospect primed and ready to purchase prior to sending them to the owner's sales site. They also use pay-per-click advertising to gain targeted prospects. They know that in order to make money, they have to spend money. Of course, most of them have become masters of pay-per-click. They know exactly what works, exactly how much to bid, and exactly how to attract the right prospects. And because they've learned how to play the game so well, they most often generate a great deal more money than if they had simply used free advertising methods. But pay-per-click and using their own website to promote products are only two of the methods they use. Others include writing product reviews and personal endorsements, recommendations, and testimonials, operating niche blogs that are directly associated with the products they're promoting, writing and distributing articles that contain information that's related to the individual products, which includes their affiliate link, offering a special bonus that is only available if the product is purchased through the affiliate's own link, giving away free tips and information, either on their website or distributed through ebooks or autoresponder messages, capturing prospect names and email addresses for future contact and ongoing follow-up, using their own marketing and promotional materials. Although each of these methods are both valuable and effective, at least one is extremely important. While every other affiliate is simply copying and pasting solo ads that the owner of the product has made available, the super affiliate is developing their own unique and original sales content. Instead of delivering the same old message every other affiliate is handing out, they can put their own personal spin on it. That means they can make the offer seem more valuable, more appealing, and more original. And of course, they will ultimately generate more sales. But that's not all they do. They also ensure their success by making certain they're off to the right start. Rather than jump on every program, product, and service that comes their way, they carefully pick and choose ones they're confident can be marketed and promoted effectively. Although a certain degree of instinct and past experience works well in that regard, there are basic factors which will help anyone choose the best products. Things like determining the level of interest and demand, evaluating whether or not the sales page is capable of converting the prospects you send into buyers, verifying the overall quality and value of the product, having sufficient information about the product to market it effectively. Super affiliates don't gain their status overnight. They work hard at what they do and put in whatever time and effort is necessary in order to outsell everyone else in their affiliate arena. And the ultimate payoff? A substantial income that can be generated over and over again, month after month and year after year, for as long as they wish to continue marketing and promoting affiliate products.